for ball. C is for coconut. D is for duck. E is for elephant. F is for flower. G is for giraffe. H is for hen. I is for ice cream. J is for jet. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for orange. P is for parrot. Q is for queen. R is for red. S is for school. T is for tree. U is for umbrella. V is for rain. W is for watch.